Hello guys, Gold Sniper here, and let's begin our analysis of XAUUSD for 14th August 2023. Now let's just look at the daily chart of the gold. If you see the daily chart of the gold, we are still within this trend line, okay, and this downward sloping trend line because of the dollar index rally. We can see that the gold is slowly coming downwards, okay, but on the daily basis, like I told you, there's a head and shoulder pattern also, and the head of this pattern is coming somewhere around like 1892 levels. So we can expect the 1900 and 1892 levels to act as strong support for tomorrow. All right. And this gold down move is because of DXY. You're seeing that the gold is slowly coming downwards, and tomorrow there is no major news also coming, so we can expect this downtrend to continue tomorrow. And again, my trades for tomorrow will be based on DXY. Okay, if the DXY is going up, I will give you bearish trade, and mostly will prefer to be on the sell side rather than the buy side, okay, because of the structure of the chart. Now let's just go to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, I will tell you, we are right now at this, for we are consolidating between 1920 to 1930. Anytime we come to break above this level, we are just taking a resistance, and we are, facing selling pressure at 1920 and 1930 levels, as is evident from the chart of the gold. So tomorrow, if I see DXY is rallying 103 and plus, it is going. Then we will again attempt a sell trade on gold for targets of like 1910, 1905, and 1900. But these level I am expecting can come in the American session, not in the Asian session, because there is a lot of buyers are also present at these level. Okay, gold is not going down the way it came down from all these levels. Okay, so it is facing a lot of resistance, or the downward side, downward, it's not able to go down very easily because there's a presence of lot of buyers. Okay, so only at a very good pullback, if we'll see, we will try to sell gold. All right. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold, like I cleared to you. It's a sell on rise market for tomorrow. Let's look at the other charts, which is DXY. We'll begin with the dollar index. Dollar index, if you'll see, clear cut on the hourly basis is bullish. We are, every time sellers are trying to, break this trend, the buyers, they are just buying the dips like anything, and making the dollar rally, as is evident over here. The next major resistance on the dollar index is 103 level. If we break 103 level, okay, so I will show you the essence of 103 level. Why I'm telling 103 is very important. See, if you see on a daily chart of gold, I'll just draw a channel over here so you will understand. Give me a second. Yeah. So a rough channel I'm just drawing for you guys. If you will see, somewhat like this. Yeah. So this channel has been acting as a sort of resistance. Okay, on a daily chart of dollar index. Now, if we break above this, okay. If we break above this, the break above this level will be somewhere around like 103.5. If we break above this and start forming higher lows, dollar index will start rallying, and you can see further fall on the gold. Also, if you will see, on a daily basis on the dollar index, we are forming a sort of like a head and shoulder pattern. So basically it is preparing for a breakout on the DXY, which is not a good news for gold bulls. Okay, see here, this is a sort of like a head and shoulder pattern. uh, it's forming, not a perfect head and shoulder, but you can say, I'll just draw it. Give me a second. Yeah, okay. So though it's not a perfect head and shoulder pattern, it's a sort of head and shoulder, or we can say maybe not a head and shoulder. I think we shouldn't call it a head and shoulder because it's not forming like a head and shoulder. But we can say, see, buyers attempted to break out over here. They attempted over here. They attempted over here. Okay, and this time it looks like things are in favor, and this time the buyers, will be able to give a breakout, it seems. Okay, above this pattern. So what we are looking for in the DXY, if DXY does something of this sort, I'll show you. Yeah, if DXY does something of this sort, like gives a breakout, gives a pullback over here, and then DXY goes up, then it again, the bullish trajectory on the DXY will begin. So and to add more context to this, you can think of it like this if it does such a thing, then you can think of DXY as, breakout. This is a longer term perspective, I'm telling. Breakout, pullback, and then again continuation of the trend. So in this case, there will be, gold can fall a whole lot more. Okay, so that is the current scenario which is going on in the DXY. So this was the bigger perspective. On the intraday time frame, like I told you, 103 should act as a resistance on the DXY. Okay, and other than that, if we break 103, 103, what can we expect as the next resistance level on the DXY? um, I will say somewhere around like 103.30. Yeah, 103.30 to like maybe 103.5. So it's a big range, but I'll still draw a box and mark it. Okay, so it will be helpful tomorrow to understand where the next resistance is. So this is the approximate, I can say. Yeah, roughly this whole region we can basically say will act as as a form of resistance. Okay, yeah, we can say this much. Yeah, just give me a second, I'm just drawing it. Yeah, right. Okay, so this level, like I said, 102, you have 103 level, and above that you have 103.30 to 103.50. This will act as a resistance on the DXY. Whereas the support, if you will see, the support right now for the DXY is somewhere around like 102.5 to 102.6. Now this level is going to act as support for the DXY for tomorrow. So we'll mark this as a support right now over here, approximately. Okay, so we are right now clear on how to trade on the how to view the DXY, our view. Let's look at one more currency pair, which is the Euro USD. Euro USD also, like I said, because the DXY rallying, Euro is also falling. Okay, next support on the Euro should somewhere, it should take up somewhere in the region of like 1.0920 20, around somewhere over here. It should take a support and, give a pullback before continuing its downfall further. All right, give me a second, 1 second. Yeah, so that's what my view on gold is. It is still sell on rise. Okay, and a summarized plan of this will be shared in my Telegram channel. So if you are liking my analysis, please do like, share, and subscribe, and please join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description mentioned below. All right, so let's see how tomorrow pans out. Hope tomorrow is also a profitable day. Thank you.